woke up early to depart on a journey in search of turtles. This is the one! We booked 3 hours on the boat because we thought 4 is gonna be too much, 2 is gonna be too little. The price started from 900,000 for 2 hours. We finished up with 850 for 3. Look at this boat. It has the glass bottom. These famous statues of Gili Islands, absolutely man-made, but still pretty to take pictures around. Very close to Gili Meno. I'm pretty sure that you can just swim towards them if you stay on this island, which we've decided to skip. Flag. Matteo likes the flags of the countries, or any kind of flags which are soaring in the wind. He's indicating each one of them that he sees. I think Angela confused the boat, first heading towards another one. Let's see how are the statues. I'm gonna go take a quick dive there too. So it turned out 3 hours that we booked on the boat were kind of too much. We finished 3 snorkeling spots in like an hour, maybe an hour 15. And so we have 1 hour and a half left of our booked timing. So we decided to stop at some beach of Gili Meno. Yet now we chose to go to see the lake, the only lake which exists on 3 islands, saltwater lake. And here we are, the walk which you could take around, but in this sun I wouldn't be excited to do that. I think we'll be back to the beach in 10 minutes because it sounds like a more exciting program. And this is our beach spot of Gili Meno Island. We are on the northwest side of the island, facing Gili Travangan, which is so close. I think we could even swim until there. Plus all the turtle spots. Look at all these people over there. Pretty sure there are turtles swimming around. Also the statues can be easily reachable from here. Maybe we chose the wrong island. Going to the water? Yes? Let's go! Non sai come fare? Metti questo dentro e poi lì. It's another day, but the same spot for lunch. We remain loyal to this little varum in the street. Even though Danny wasn't happy with the choice, he wanted pasta. Carbonara. But we will have mi goreng instead. So the last evening on Gili T, we thought of watching the sunset, but there is no sunset, there are too many clouds. Chef Danny has opened his restaurant. This is the line to get in, and this is the entrance. That's where we're having dinner tonight. So Here we have this sunset, and here we have a pile of trash which has been washed ashore. Considering how many bars and restaurants are there, if everybody just did their pace, it would be so much better. Such nice environment it would be. But it is what it is. Look at this. Ugh. So, what is Matteo eating during this holiday? Rice and bread. That's the only thing he eats.
If you, just like us, happen to stay in Villa Sidenia on Gili Travangan, look no further for your dinner option than Frame Restaurant Bar, where I think we spent every single dinner while on the island. They have some options of Indonesian and Western and Mexican food, but what makes this place is the very accommodating staff, who is also very good with kids, in case you happen to be a family.
We're leaving Gili T, heading to Gili Air. And this is our mean of transport on the island. The horse. Comodo?
Sembra di essere sul divano di casa.
Here we are, I'm going to the public boat. So we are to Gili Air, getting to our hotel, which is again at the other end of the island. Grandpa was eliminated for his weight. This horse refused to take him, so he's walking, and we four are going with all the luggages. Hai capito, eh?
Adesso dove sono i...
Betty, vai a mangiare citriolo.
Betty. That's the entrance to our hotel. And there is Grandpa with Matteo, who is willing to walk tonight. He needs to go on this village road full of dust. So now he's gonna take a good bath. Perfezione. Dai, adesso cadi dal ponte e ci siamo.